guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Venessa the Fiinessa, and you could probably already tell by this title, but I'm going to be blow drying my hair. Now this is a fresh wash. I just washed it probably like 2 hours ago, and I wrapped it in a microfiber towel, so my hair is mostly dry. However, I don't know what I want to do with my hair yet, but I do know I want to blow dry it, so whatever I do with it, it's going to be easy because I'm still staying in protective styling. So, before we get into this video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you really doing? Go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell notification so you're notified of when I upload and you can join the Fiinessa fam. So, I'm going to show you actually the fastest and easiest way to blow dry your hair. Foolproof method. It works. I don't think since I started doing this I spend more than 30 minutes to blow dry my hair. It might seem like a lot to people with like shorter hair or anything like that, but before I used to spend like 2 hours blow drying my hair. So now it takes me way less time. So let's just go ahead and hop right into the video. So let's talk about heat protectors real quick. The heat protector I'm using is the Icy Fantasia Hair Polisher Heat Protector Straightening Spray. And I got this at the beauty supply store, and it feels more like silicone based heat protector, but whatever. Choose the right hair protector for you. Some people might like hair protector cream, some people like sprays, some people like silicone based products. Choose whichever one is right for you. This hair protector says that it protects up to 400 degrees, I think. I don't know. It doesn't say that here. But this is a good heat protector. What I usually use, but it's downstairs and I don't feel like getting it, is the Pantene Gold Series Heat Protector Spray, because I know that works. That's my fave, so I usually gravitate towards that a whole lot more. But today, this is upstairs and this is what I'm using. I'm not going back downstairs. It's a lot going on in this house today. So now you need a good heat protector if you're going to do a blow dry on your hair, because you don't want to accidentally damage your hair while you're trying to prepare for protective styling or a silk press or whatever other style you may be going for. Not only do you need a good heat protector, you also need a good blow dryer. The type of blow dryer you have will determine how long you're going to be doing your hair, and you need to find a good blow dryer that you can work with well. I've had, in the last 2 years really, I think I've had about 3 or 4 blow dryers. They're not broken. I just like acquiring new products. Don't ask me why. So yeah, it's not broken or anything, and I still have them. But I got one that was the hair dryer brush, and that used to be my go-to until I got another one that was basically a Dyson knockoff. And before all of those, I had the Kiss Red blow dryer, and now I have my baby, the Dyson. So I kind of just upgraded my blow dryer. You don't need a super expensive blow dryer like what I have. It's not necessary, but the Dyson is pretty good. If you can afford it, I would recommend it, but if you cannot afford it, there are other blow dryers, and what I like about this product is not a one-size-fits-all. Yeah, so there are other blow dryers, and you don't have to feel like you have to go get a $400 blow dryer or this like $100 blow dryer or anything like that. The $20 ones, the $30 ones, the $40 ones, they work just fine as long as you acknowledge your limits and realize, like, you know, as long as you acknowledge your limits and you know what you're working with. I find with the more inexpensive blow dryers, they tend to heat up really quickly, and like it's just hot and harsh air on your hair, which makes your hair feel fried or like frazzled in a sense. It kind of makes it feel a little bit hard, like it's straight, but it doesn't feel like soft and flowy. And the Dyson makes my hair feel soft. It makes it feel conditioned, and I like that. So that's what I'm using today. But you do not have to buy the Dyson. These steps that I'm showing you, you can literally use with any blow dryer. So let's get into it. So my hair is like, I want to say about 85% dry. So I'm just going to go ahead and take down the twist. And I'm going to clip the excess away. Hair feels soft though. I'm going to take some of my heat protector and rub it in. The thing to remember is that your heat protector is kind of like your leave-in conditioner, right? It's putting a barrier between your hair and essentially the environment, aka, oh, this smells like candy, aka heat. So you don't have to put any creams or anything else in your hair if you've already, you know, done what you need to do. So you can put in a light leave-in conditioner, like fresh out the shower. I wouldn't go in a very thick consistency. Something light and something hydrating, just a light thing. When you get out the shower, tie your hair up in a towel. And then you can like go in with this, but you don't need any creams, any butters, anything else to basically protect your hair, give it moisture, because when you blow dry your hair, it's going to feel moisturized. It's not going to feel dry. What I like to do is I like to take my blow dryer, and I'm going to demonstrate this before I turn on my blow dryer, because once I do, it's over. And I've got the concentrator nozzle on. I'm going to pull my hair and hit the blow dryer. Hit my hair with the blow dryer. I typically like to blow dry on like a medium setting with high heat to get this done quicker, because I'm not going to be here all day. And basically what that's doing is you're creating tension to straighten out your roots and the rest of your hair as much as possible. And then I'm going to switch to the comb attachment to straighten it some more. Basically comb out whatever kinks or anything that's left in there. And this is the quickest and fastest way, because with this you're getting less breakage, less shedding, things like that. And well, with this method you're getting less breakage, and you're also protecting your hair from more like single strand knots or anything that comes along with breakage. So this is a really good method. It's a little bit more time consuming than something else, but your hair, if you want healthy hair and you want to blow dry it, sometimes you have to take extra steps. So let's get into this. So basically my hair is like straight, but all I did was elongate the hair. And if it had any kinks in there, those kinks were elongated as well. So I need to go in with my comb attachment and basically comb out my hair. And boom, and that wasn't even 5 minutes, basically. It was a quick little minute, and I did one section of my hair. If I do all my sections like this, I have 7 more sections to go. But it's quick, my hair is soft, it doesn't feel heat damaged, frazzled, or anything like that. And I'm clear to basically, you know, twist this out of the way so I can keep it pushing with other sections. And we're gonna go ahead and repeat the same step. I always make sure I hit my ends, because the last thing you want is some heat damage ends. Okay, so you can see the difference between this side and this side. Obviously it's elongated, all right? She is a moment. And we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next side, all right? So let's go. this is my hair blown out. Honestly, can't stop touching it. Okay, but yeah, this is what my hair looks like when it's blown out, when it's fully elongated. Could I use a trim? Ooh. Could I use a trim? Absolutely. Am I going to trim my hair today? Absolutely not. But this is my full, quick and easy way to blow dry your hair. That's it. That's all it takes. This took me about 18, 19 minutes, basically under 20 minutes. And honestly, you can't blow dry your hair that quick with a cheap or with an inexpensive blow dryer. Dyson was blow drying my hair fast, quick, and without damage. And whenever you use an inexpensive blow dryer, and I just mean like the ones that you get at the beauty supply store, you know, the ones that will overheat, the ones that will have your hair smoking. Whenever you use one of those, you're sacrificing one of those three things: quickness, really dry, and without damage. So you're going to sacrifice one of those three things when you get an inexpensive blow dryer. However, it can be done. It'll just take you a little longer, but this is my quick and easy way to blow dry your hair. So, and it speaks for itself. I could literally, where's my comb? I could literally just go down and like part my hair any way I want. My roots are completely dry. My roots are completely stretched. And honestly, I love it because who wouldn't want that? That's what we came here for. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching my video. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and leave a comment down below and tell me what you want to see next. I will see you guys in the next video.